How to create vehicle and farm tools of AG502 Autosteer System. This video will provide step-by-step instructions. Before setting the parameter, please check the antennas and sensors. Ensure both antennas are symmetrically aligned with the tractor body centerline. Then, turn on the tablet and go to Create Vehicle and Farm Tools. Follow the steps on the tablet to measure and fill the parameter. Number 1. Measure the height of antennas from ground. Number 2. Measure the antennas' horizontal distance to tractor center access line. Number 3. Measure the distance from antennas to rear wheel access. Number 4. Measure the tractor's wheelbase. Number 5. Measure the front wheel spacing of tractor. Front wheel angle sensor is not mandatory when performing in the speed range from 1 to 10 km per hour. Number 6. Measure the width of farm tool. Number 7. Input desired the width of handover room. Number 8. As for the oversight left and right, please input 0 meter. We will resize this parameter later. You can refer to instruction video, interval adjustments. Press Finish. Congratulations, you have completed step 1 of AG502 Autosteer System setting parameter.